Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of these Ticonderoga pencils and this Staedtler pencil sharpener. I bought these pencils from Target for a couple dollars, and I bought this sharpener at Staples also for a few dollars. It's actually on sale. I think if you buy it online full price, it'll be a little more expensive. But let's get started. Start with the pencils. I mean, they're beautiful. It's a beautiful green color. The world's best pencil. I believe these are made in the United States. This says made in China. Well, what do you know? Shows how much I know. Wood from well-managed forests. That's nice. Celebrating over 100 years of excellence. Dixon. When I was a kid and I was in school, my dad would always buy like cheap pencils for me. I never got to have these guys, and they were highly sought after, so it feels good to be an adult and buy your own things. All right. There are, how many? Oh, I don't know. 12 pencils. That means perfection. At least I think so. Maybe if there are some real pencil freaks out there, you might scoff at this. Maybe this is a basic pencil. Maybe this is like entry-level pencil enthusiast pencil, but I don't know. Do I need to take them all out of there? I don't really think so. Listen, I'm gonna do these bad boys one at a time, so let's say that's good on the pencils for now. Let's get into the sharpener. So this is made by Staedtler. I've never used their products before, but I looked up some reviews, and it seems to be a pretty well-regarded sharpener. I bought this one because the store, when I went to Target to buy these pencils, Target was all sold out of their pencil sharpeners, except for the $20 electric pencil sharpeners. And so I went to Staples, and they were sold out of all the cheapest ones. So they had these ones on sale for, this cost me $4, I think, which is probably more than I would have spent if I could have just spent like $1 on a pencil sharpener. But I also wanted it to do a good job. So yeah, if you buy it on Amazon or whatever, even Staples when it's not on sale, I think it's like $6. But I looked up some reviews and people liked it, so let's give it a shot. It's premium quality. And I mean, we all know what's going to happen, right? It's going to be, oh no. I thought now that is a satisfying feeling right there. We all know this thing usually sticks to the back of this thing. Didn't happen this time, so that's nice. So there's 2 holes here, one for graphite and color, one for just graphite, I guess. Okay, yeah, so the other one is for shorter tips, I guess, if you use colored pencils. So I will be going with the classic just graphite option. says press. I guess that's probably to get this thing out if you need to empty the shavings. There it is. So you can see the blades there. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's a little cover here. Let's test it out. Brand new pencil, brand new sharpener. I don't know when I should stop. Maybe it'll like feel smoother when it's done. As you can see, it's a little uneven. That's my fault for the pressure that I put on it, but that's a beautiful sharp pencil tip. I have a notebook here. You can practice, test out some writing. Here's the shavings. Is it all one? Wow. It's a good pencil sharpener. Okay. I don't know what to write. I mean, yeah, it works. No problems. There she is. I could test out the eraser, I guess. Let's give it a shot. A little bit of a residue left on the page. Not too bad though. All right, well, I mean, we're having a good time here. I guess I'll write the name of the sharpener. I'm gonna say Well, I didn't make this video to review these products. I just wanted to unbox them, but if I had to review them, I'd say they're both great. Would I have paid $6 for this pencil sharpener? You know, I don't know. I bought it because it was the cheapest one that Staples had at the time. And if there was a cheaper one, I probably would have bought that one. But if I bought a cheaper one and it didn't work well, I would be really bummed. So I gotta say, I'm happy with it. And I don't mind having spent $4 on it. I think it was worth the money so far. We'll see how it holds up. And I mean, you can't go wrong. $2.50 for all these beautiful pencils. It's great. All right. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.